Cordial greetings. My name is Norman Giovanni Lopez Garcia. For this course, Valuation and Negotiation of Technology, presented to Ingrid Tatiana Gomez, tutor, in December 13, 2020. Definition of the IP involved and its protection. The IP negotiation between Company Software Colombia S.A. licensor and the licensee. It is a license for the copyright of the timeline ABC software created by the licensor for use the licensee under the terms established in the head of agreement. Protection of copyright is protected by Colombian regulations and it is a license for the use. The intellectual property belongs to the licensed company and the licensor agrees to use it in accordance with the terms established in common agreement. This in accordance with the following laws. Valuing method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. Market method. The approach of calculating royalties was used. According to this method, the licensing agreements of similar companies are analyzed. For this case, the company Latin America de Software is SI, where it was concluded that the royalty rate is equivalent to 15 of the project income. Since revenues are projected to be 500 millions, the software must be licensed for 75 millions. Side value applied to the purchase of copyright, as in this case, is referred to a license for use of intellectual property. The value is set at 24 millions per year, agreed by the parties in the head of agreement. Reasons. This method is used since it's an intangible asset based on technology, which will not be used to generate products or its use but intended to analyze financial data for the control of accounting by the licensee. Therefore, income cannot be calculated for the use of this software. Nor are the cost method used since this application will be marketed with a copyright license for use, which means that the licensor will be able to recover the investment made during the development of the software with agreements for use by other companies. License option, general condition of the licensing, license option. Here I present the license option are included in the agreement and the option term of license. Thank you.